Hello, my viewers. As you watch this, my video, Justice for UK, I greet you according to your time. I greet everybody. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like my video, give a thumbs up. Support me, my viewers. Justice from UK. What did you do with your time? What did you do with your time? Do you have time for yourself? For some of us, working is good. That's not what I'm saying. Did you go to work early in the morning and come back in the midnight? Did you have a child? Did you have children? Did you have kids? Did you totally forget about your children because you are looking for money? Did you leave home in the morning and come back in midnight? Are you in a category of certain mothers, some ladies, that does not even know if their children have taken their bath for the day? Because I realize some women in the morning they don't have their children because they are rushing to work. You do work with your time. If you are the kind of person that starts work in the morning 7 a.m. or 8 a.m., did you get up at 4:30 and on your central heating water to have the hot water before you bath? You wake your children up maybe 6 a.m. Before that, you've already bath, wash your clothes, put clothes in the machine. What did you do with your time? Are you a busy mom or a busy dad that does not take care of any other thing? You don't know what is happening in your home? Are you that kind of person? Because sometimes when you look at some children outside, especially in school, when you look at some children in primary school, believe me, when you see them, you will be very, very angry with yourself. They leave their children to go to school without even cleaning their nose. I know what I'm talking about because I work in school for good 3 years. When you look at some children, they are really, really very, very irritating because you don't know what to do about it, and you don't have the power to complain about it because you are not his mom. Mothers, what do you do with your time? If you are the busy mom, you must still have time for your kids. If you have one child, you can still have time for your children. One child, more than one kid, children, anyhow. You can still take care of your children. So forget about their children. When you are even serving food in the school, the way their children will behave, the way they look like, even after giving them food. Because I just said I've worked in school before. For the past 3 years, I work in school as a dinner lady. We serve food and we wash all the dishes, so I know what I'm talking about. Are you a caring mom? Did you take care of your child? As a young lady, did you take care of your children? Did you know that if you have a son, your child hair is very, very rough, that you need to take your child, or you can even buy your own baby cut at home to shave it if your child is still under age like 5 years, 6 years old, or 7 years old. If you don't have time to take him to the barber salon, if your daughter have a long hair, you can wash her hair with shampoo, or you can dry the hair with a hair dryer, and just do this single plaiting, big one. How did you take care of your children? How do you take care of yourself? Did you have time for yourself? Did you have time for your children? Is your children a non-entity? Do they look so dirty? Did you take care of them? Did you know how they feel? Did you listen to your children? Please do as you watch this my video. Learn. Listen to this video. Watch it. Like it. Give a thumbs up. Share my video. Subscribe to my YouTube of Justin from UK. So when you look at some children, in the morning, I believe some their parents does not even give them breakfast. A milk here that you will buy, a liquid milk that you will buy that is not up to £2. We have a lot of different kind of breakfast: cornflakes, cocoa pop, frosties, cereal, Weetabix, cookout, toast bread, a lot. What did you give to your child in the morning? Do you depend on the one in the school just because you pay? Because the way some of your children, those of you there out there, the way some of your children, the way they behave when we're serving food, the time I used to go to school work, is really, really, really bad. Some of you does not really care for your children. Because after the teacher have bring them to the counter, they've already eaten. Not all, some children. When it's time to clear everywhere, when we want to start washing, you will see them still coming. The ones that we want to take out of it and we'll start washing, or even throw the remaining one that we need to throw away so that we wash the dish. You will see them still coming. It's so annoying. Some of you does not even care because you feel that you've already paid for dinner for your child in the school. So you don't care if your child will eat breakfast in the morning before it go to school. So how do you walk around? How do you take care of your children? How do you take care of yourself? Let me look at it again. Do you have time for yourself? Do you have time for your children? What did you do with your time? Are you so busy to the extent, even though you have an appointment with the doctor, you don't remember to go? Please share my video. Love this video. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, A Glimmer of Hope. And thank you. I love you as you watch this video. Bye for now. I love you all.